Hello guys, this is Boxer Monster and welcome back. So today I'm going to explain you this new blacksmith event. So let's begin. So you talk to this blacksmith. If you don't know how to use the forge means this machine right here in the middle. Then he will tell you. Yeah, so basically you submit all the items, like submit egg. So you submit an egg, like this fall egg here, or let's submit a bug egg. Wait, let me find a bug egg. Yeah, so this is a bug egg and we submit. Now we have to submit a gear. This is a cleaning spray. Like when you submit, there will be a flame out of the machine. And now you have to submit a fruit. So let's submit this giant pine cone. I got a common cone. And use, like, you can get common, uncommon, rare, legendary coals, and you craft things like if you can craft pets like smithing dog, cheetah, or a gem egg. From the gem egg you can get a topaz snail, amethyst beetle, emerald snake, sapphire macaw, ruby squid, and a diamond panther. So yeah. From the seeds you can get olive, hollow bamboo, and yarrow, whatever that is. From the gear you can get smith treat, pet shard forger, smith harvest, hammer of harvest. You can get 2 of them, and thunder bringer. So I have this pet shard forger. From the cosmetics you can get anvil, tools rack, coal box, blacksmith grinder, and a shield statue, and a horseshoe magnet. So yeah, that things you can craft here. And also some things have changed in the seed shop. I think you have noticed that, but let me tell you. So above the restock option, like this restock costs for like Robux, but above that there is a watch ad to restock. So basically you just watch ad, it's about Robux, and then the seed shop will be restocked. Yeah, so the seed shop will be restocked. And also there is a new plant, the sunflower. It's a divine. And you can just spam click on watch ad to restock. And you restock like for 5-10 minutes or like 1 hour. Where is, yeah. So basically you can restock whenever you want. And whatever you need you can get after restocking. But that needs pure luck. So this red is like nothing in stock of that seed. So no sugar apple, no burning bird, no giant pine cone, and the strawberry. Not even a crimson thorn or a zebra zinkle. Let's do it one more time. Let's see. And nothing. Yeah. Yeah, nothing, I guess. Yeah, so these are the updates from the new ad updates, like from this blacksmith event and from the C shop. So this new update is like pretty good. And let me show you the new pets. You can see them in the garden, guys. The where is the the ruby squid. There is the ruby squid after the red panda. That's actually a divine pet. You can guess the pet from there. And this panther is also a divine pet. Yeah. Yeah, the panther is also a divine pet. So no prismatic pet from this update, but still good. So I think this is all for this update, for this blacksmith event. Yeah. So that's all. Nothing else. So next update will come on like this Saturday or Sunday, I guess. So yeah, this is all for this blacksmith event. So bye guys. Peace.